Hello Anuj, welcome to my
Hello,
channel.
ma'am.
So, how
Well,
are you?
thank you for asking. I am good, and yes, I am good. And now, when I see you, so I feel very good.
Oh my god, you made my day. Okay,
Yes.
so can you introduce yourself first?
Uh, okay. So, as you know, my name is Anas Verma. I'm connecting for MP, Madhya Pradesh, Narmadapuram,
Mhm.
and I am a full-time homemaker and a part-time YouTuber, and I have a one kids.
Oh,
And if I talk about my graduation, so I am M.Com complete in commerce, and I have a also DLED for teaching, and I have also teaching diploma for teaching student. And yeah, that's all about me.
oh, nice, yeah, nice, nice, very nice. So, okay, so how was your day today?
Yeah, my day is I have a good day. As you know, I have a baby, so my almost time goes on her taking care and play with him.
Mhm.
And if I have a weather in time, so I spend on learning English.
Okay, nice. So, what is reason why you are want to learn English, spoken English?
Okay. Earlier, I was a teacher, but when I got married, then I
Mhm.
left my job,
Mhm.
and now I am a mother, so my all world around to my baby.
Mhm.
So in future, I will teach them, and I will also teach those type children. They have no facility for learn English, and
Okay.
as you know, I have a small YouTube. So yeah, my YouTube also posts me for learn this language, but my
Okay.
main purpose is teaching my child. I want to teach
Okay.
my
So,
child.
what is your channel name? And please share a channel link in for me. So I want to visit
Okay.
your channel.
Okay, okay. My channel name is Anuj Verma English. Earlier, it's I have a YouTube channel. When I bought mobile, then I create channel, but
Mhm.
I not active there. But when I decide ki I learn English, so
Mhm.
I have been uploaded video for
Mhm.
month, and my channel name is Anuj Verma English that
Mhm.
dedicate to learning English.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay. Very nice. And
Thank you.
so today we are very first time meet so in a session. So
Yes.
now we I want to go simple. So yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are exploring new things,
Okay.
reading, and gain a knowledge.
Yeah, it's a
Like
good thing.
yeah, new knowledge gain is my favorite hobby,
Mhm.
and any field. Like if any book publishes, there's nowadays *Sapiens* is a very popular book in all world. So I am very curiosity about these type things. They
Okay.
new publishes and they have a lot of knowledge.
Mhm.
Sapiens is a based of humankind history.
Mhm.
So yeah, I am very passionate for. I'm very curious of
Yeah.
new gain new knowledge, new
Right.
experience.
Because of curiosity, we all the time ready to learn something new, and it's a good habit. We can gain lots of knowledge,
Yeah,
so it's a good thing, right?
yeah, yeah.
So, what is your favorite food and why?
Mm, and my favorite food is a simple food. My home food like rice, pulse, and green vegetable and chapati. I mostly use that and especially salad. I want to add salad when I comfortable. And if I talk about especially food, so I like spicy food.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, and yeah, so you like simple food only.
Yes, simple food. Yeah, simple because today, as we know, the oily food is not good for our health, and
Yeah,
sugar. These are very terrible and horrible for our health. So that's why. And
nice.
when I give birth my baby, then I decide कि अब नहीं खाना ये सब.
Yeah, right. We should take care our health first. Otherwise, how can we
Yes.
survive? Right, right. It's a good thing. Okay. So, which place would you like to travel in the future?
I want to visit all world, but if I talk about any one place, so I want to visit Manali because in January 2025, my husband also visited there, and he shared our unforgettable experience with me. So that's why I'm very excited for Manali.
Oh, nice. And in Manali is a good place, a
Yes.
special like a tourist spot. And in India, everyone want
Yeah, he
to
said.
go there. Right.
Yeah, he said the full mountain covered by snow and the view are unforgettable,
Yeah.
amazing view. The
Right.
air is so pure and the weather is also extremely so. Yeah,
Right.
that's
It's
what
a
I
hilly
want.
area, no? So hilly areas, like a
Yeah, yeah,
natural beauty. We can see natural beauty here. So uh, we feel
yeah.
attraction of this, and especially now you live in MP. I'm also from MP, so we never
Mm,
seen this kind of hilly area, and so that's why they attract, uh,
yeah,
because we rarely seen, and usually we can see only on videos and social media or TV. So that's why we feel attract from this kind of places, especially hilly
yeah.
areas, right? And
Yes,
we
yes.
never seen like a snowfall or this thing, so that's why we feel attracted.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can see your background. You live in a village.
Yes, I am living in totally rural area, and I also live in a farmhouse.
Oh,
Uh, I want to share with you one story.
yeah.
When I decide कि I learn English, so I decide that कि I am start coaching
Mhm.
student. But I live in farmhouse, so student not come there easily. When
Yeah,
parents drop there, so they available there. But when वे वो अकेले नहीं आ सकते, so
right.
that's why my this idea is not working, so
Mhm.
that's why I'm starting YouTube and now continue.
Oh, and yeah. So uh, here you have only your house, no neighbor around you.
Yeah, neighbor, but 50 मील ऐसा
Mhm.
मतलब
Long
distance,
distance, long
not
distance.
long distance, not a मतलब city like, not a place like. There are
Mhm.
distance, and like my field, my farm.
Mhm.
Then next field, they have also a house, home, in
Okay.
farmhouse.
So
Yeah.
whenever you feel you need any kind of medical emergency, so how can get medical help in your
In my
area?
Yeah, in my area, I if I want to medical, so Sale Chowka is a 9 to 10 kilometer from my
Oh,
house, and if I talk about a local hospital, so my hospital is a kilometer dur in my house. In my place is also hospital. So yeah, and there is no this type problem ki how can get a medicine. No, I don't face this type, and I'm very near to the
hmm.
hospital.
Okay, but I think actually I also have some kind of experience because in since my childhood, I live this kind of place.
Mhm.
So I know
Yeah.
very well, and especially rainy season, it's quite difficult to survive. because surrounding, lots of insect and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the problem. In that time, I was, happy. But if I think about my last past life experience, like my childhood experience, that time I think how I'm able to live this kind of place, and I don't know how can I manage. Actually, I was living with my parents in play field area, but if someone told me now I should live in this kind of place, I don't know how can I survive. Yeah, but
Okay.
maybe it's
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
so you have any knowledge about farm work?
No, I have no any knowledge about farm work,
Mhm.
because there is a all work is doing by workers. So I
Okay.
have no, but I try if I will कभी मौका मिलता है तो I will definitely try.
Okay, and now you have a little baby, so you can't go from and you can't do this kind of work, especially farm work,
Yeah,
because it's quite
now I have
difficult to
a
with baby.
yeah, it's difficult. So yeah, abhi, now I am not available, but in future, if I'm interesting ही कहेंगे interested, so I will my interest is come across, so I will definitely try.
Yeah, but the farm work is quite difficult. We need hard
Yeah,
work,
quite
and
difficult.
we face
Yeah,
sunlight, so it's a very difficult job.
yeah,
I know because I know very well how to work on farm because of my
yeah.
in that time, in my childhood time, my father was farmer. Now, not now. Now they shift in a city, so nowadays they are not working like farmer work. But my childhood,
Mm-hmm.
that time I also did all kind of work, all. So I
Mm-hmm.
know very well how to we do farm work all. So that's why I'm and that's why I'm asking, because your background, I don't know why, but attract
Yeah.
me, like it's a big tree I can see. So
Yeah, there are lot of mango tree in my house.
oh, so you love mango?
Yes, I love mango.
I also love, yeah, like
I think
mango is
everyone love mango.
right.
Yes, mango is a delicious food.
Yeah, right, right. So, okay, I want to ask a question. So, what do you do in your free time?
I especially because I have a baby, so I have no lot of free time. But
Mhm,
when I get a free time, so I totally immerse with me in English because I am very passionate nowadays.
mhm.
Because I want to, yeah, जितने जल्दी हो सकता है, I want to learn.
Oh, nice. Okay, so who inspires you the most in your life?
Many people are inspiring me, and there are a long list. But if I talk about, so I am most of inspired by Sudha Murthy ma'am and Ratan
Mhm.
Tata sir
Oh, so
because they
both,
are yeah, they are a
yeah,
big personality and
yeah,
down to earth. This is era is a very positive, and they have
right.
a lot of knowledge, health, and wealth. But
Mm,
see, Sudha Murthy ma'am is a very down to earth. They have a
yeah.
very matlab, lovely person. I love very much Sudha Murthy ma'am. I'm very inspired.
So you have her
Inspired.
book? You have
Yeah.
her books? Okay.
Yeah, I have a book. I also, when I free, I read a book.
Okay, so which one you have?
आई थिंक जिसमें उनकी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं नो ना पर्टिकुलर इन माय मोबाइल
Okay, you don't
आई
have any
जस्ट
physical book. You have in your mobile. Yeah, and I also listen some audio book on a YouTube channel, maybe 3000 Stitches, a book of Sudha Murthy.
व्हेन आई यस
Yeah.
व्हेन आई गो टू फ्री आई गो टू चैट जीपीटी and ask about Sudhamurti books and tell he give me one or two story about chapter according to Sudhamurti books. So ChatGPT gave me and I read and I am very expert. They have a little a small story and all story are dedicated to motivate मतलब good work kindness इस तरह की कहानी.
Oh, nice. Okay, so what is one good habit you want to develop?
I want to control my emotion because sometimes I not control my emotions, so I want to control my emotion and my anger because that's trouble me sometimes. Yeah, especially in my married life.
Okay, nice. Nice to hear. So I think this is enough for today's session,
Okay,
and
okay,
maybe in future we will meet soon. So okay, so
okay.
if you want to share your experience and if you want to share something, so you can share now.
Okay. Okay, okay. I am feel very good with talk to with you. मतलब now amazing conversation. If I have no word for this conversation. Nice to meet you, and we will meet next time. Definitely, we will meet in the next
Yeah,
time. Thanks for
yeah.
give me this
No,
opportunity.
no. This is my, I really appreciate your work. You connect with me, and I really enjoy with you. This nowadays I started this journey to record
Yeah,
session, so I'm really enjoy because I'm not, habitual with camera, so I'm not camera person. So that's why I feel little bit sometimes nervous. But now I started to, convey my
likewise.
thought and conversation.
Yeah,
Nowadays I started conversation series. Maybe it will be
yeah,
help other women also, because when I before my starting this journey, that time I also, finding a good environment, platform where I can,
yeah.
speak with my co-learner, and I need that time I was finding a safe platform. Nowadays, lots
Okay.
of social media platforms available, but the problem is this is not, necessary to all kind of platform. They good or safe for women.
Uh,
So that's why when I started my journey, that time I joined paid WhatsApp group, Sunita ma'am paid WhatsApp group. But after 2 months, I realized, like, because lack of time, I decided to create my own WhatsApp group. So nowadays I have a WhatsApp group, and especially for women. So if anyone want to join, and if anyone want to get this kind of environment there, they want to speak, because in our we maybe we are all belong to middle class family, and our surrounding is different. We can't interact with English, especially because
yes.
English is not our cup of tea. So that's
Yes.
why I initiate this step for women's, because I know what is the pain. Full 1 month I spent for this to find, a platform, and then I get. And nowadays, I have lots of my new friends, and I have a good bond with them. And in my WhatsApp group I have 60 plus members. So if anyone
Yeah.
wants, so you can guys comment below, and I'll share all,
Okay. Okay. I will
information.
definitely join. I will
Yeah.
definitely join because I'm very up and I am appreciate your work and I will definitely and if anyone join to my field, so I will also share your this group.
Right. Okay. So, okay. Uh, Today I want to I want to say thank you first. Okay. And we will meet soon. So I think enough for
Okay. Okay.
today. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye. I have also nice day. Likewise.
Okay.